Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. Today I'll be doing an eye look using the 669 palette from Martine Cosmetics, and let's just talk about this elaborate packaging. Black goth velveteen that really attracts lint and hair, so beware. And it's got this shiny red logo on the front, really nice. And then when you has this little latch opening to reveal an 18 pan eyeshadow palette with a mix of mattes and metallics, 3 of which are duochrome. It's a really dark, grungy, smoky color story, and you're going to get a lot of dark, sultry looks with this palette. And there's 3 blacks for some reason. 2 of them are matte and 1 has shimmer in it. So I will be doing a review of this palette. So if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when that video goes up. Everything I use on the eyes will be listed down below. So let's get started. If you like this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.